The IT world remains in a state of constant flux. Now, as an IT professional, it is almost like a survival tactic to keep yourself updated with the ever evolving technologies as well as the market trends. Hence, we Droid 7 Technolabs bring to you the top technologies for 2020 and 21. Kindly take up this time to subscribe to us and don't forget to hit that bell icon to never miss an update from the Droid 7 Technolabs YouTube channel. Okay, so moving on, the next technology is Big Data and Hadoop. Well, who doesn't know about Big Data and Hadoop already? The world has been special awash for quite a few years with all these businesses moving beyond the traditional ways of data storage and processing. Big data has made its way to the big games. On the other hand, Hadoop is an Apache open source framework written in Java that allows distributed processing of large data sets across clusters of computers using simple programming models. Hadoop is designed to scale up from single server to thousands of machines, each offering local computation and storage. Now, with all these technologies such as data analytics, automation augmented analytics, and data as a service, big data is in here to change the game, across the industries. What is the best part about it? You can learn about all these things at Droid 7 Technolabs with the help of industry's finest experts and in-house real-time projects. Now, while we are on subject, let's talk a little bit about a subset called dark data. Now, when I say dark data, I mean all this data that is generated along with big data but is untapped. Now the potential is unlimited. And by the year 2020 and 2021, about 93% of all data is going to be categorized under this subset. Now coming back of big data, companies which are investing in big data includes Netflix, Amazon, Starbucks, Spotify, and Adobe. Okay, in all over the world, top 16 companies using Hadoop as a service. And the first one is Amazon Web Services. Amazon Elastic MapReduce, Amazon EMR, is a web service that makes it easy to quickly and cost effectively process vast amount of data. Second one is EMC Square. IBM, Microsoft, and so many more. So, what is the biggest difference between these two? Big data is treated like an asset which can be valuable, whereas Hadoop is treated like a program to bring out the value from the asset. Which is the main big difference between big data and Hadoop? Big data, on the other hand, is unsorted and raw, whereas Hadoop is designed to manage and handle complicated and sophisticated big data. You can also work, experiment, and find the different solutions and stay ahead of your competitors through a variety of courses which are provided at Droid 7 Technolabs, and stay ahead of your game in 2020 and 21. If you have any suggestions on what you would like to hear more about, kindly leave them in the comment section below. We will be glad to hear suggestions from you. With that, I close the session. Subscribe us and keep yourself updated with the latest technology that is in market and the courses we are offering. Thank you and have a great day.